Hey, entrepreneurs! AI isn't some sci-fi dream anymore. It's here and it's reshaping industries right now. Imagine automating mundane tasks, generating creative content on the fly, and achieving unprecedented efficiency. That's the power of AI. Companies everywhere are leveraging AI for a killer competitive advantage. Take Amazon, for instance. They use AI to manage inventory, predict what you want to buy next, and even deliver packages with drones. And Netflix? They're using AI to recommend your next binge-worthy series based on your viewing habits. Thinking about starting your own AI-powered business? Start with ideation and validation. AI can help you identify market gaps and validate your ideas fast. Then move into prototyping and development. AI tools can help you build and refine your product or service quicker than ever. Next, dive into market research and customer insights. AI can analyze mountains of data to give you a crystal clear understanding of your audience. And when it comes to marketing and sales, AI automates tasks, personalizes interactions, and optimizes sales funnels, making your life a whole lot easier. Operational efficiency is another big win. AI streamlines operations, optimizes supply chains, and even predicts future needs. For finance and accounting, AI automates tasks, identifies fraud, and provides real-time insights. Ready to launch? Build a strong team by identifying the skills and expertise you need. Explore funding options tailored for AI-driven startups. And think about scaling your business. AI can help ensure long-term growth and success. Looking ahead, AI will continue to evolve, transforming the future of work, but don't forget about ethics. Ensure you're developing AI responsibly and ethically. So what are you waiting for? Embrace AI and revolutionize your business today. The future is now and it's packed with potential. Subscribe now for more. Thanks for watching DGM Creations.